AI and machine learning models need high-quality contextual data. So how do you bring your SAP Business Warehouse data into the hands of your data scientists and engineers? My name is Sandy, and I'm a product manager for SAP Business Data Cloud. In this video, we'll show you how to share an SAP data product from SAP Datasphere to SAP Databricks through Deltashare in a zero-copy approach. This enables AI, machine learning, data science, and data engineering capabilities. Since SAP Databricks is natively available in SAP Business Data Cloud, no ETL processes are required, making it simple for your data teams to access and work with BW data. Let's jump in. We'll start in the SAP Business Data Cloud cockpit, and from here we're going to navigate to the catalog to find the BW data product that we want to share with SAP Databricks. Here, I'll type in the sales data product that I'd like to select. Once I select the data product, I can see the relevant information for my data product, which I can now share to SAP Databricks. So here I'm going to add the target. Then I select SAP Databricks. I'll provide the share name and hit share to begin the zero-copy sharing process to SAP Databricks. Now let's jump into Databricks. In SAP Databricks, I can open the Unity catalog and search for the data product we shared. Here, we can see that the object has been successfully shared. And now, let's jump into the notebook where we'll create a sales prediction based on the BW data. For our prediction scenario, we want to predict sales by region and calendar year. So we'll take a look at the data itself. Then we'll prepare the data on what we need in terms of the attributes, year, and region. After that, we can start the modeling processes to predict the sales across all regions for several years. And at the end, we'll get the predicted sales as a result. That will then be saved in a dedicated table which we call predicted sales. So when we jump into the catalog and look for the predicted sales, this is what we get. Now we're going to create a Deltashare to share the data back to SAP Business Data Cloud in order to consume it within SAP Datasphere. First, we provide a share name and simple description. Then we'll select the asset. And then the recipient in this case is SAP Business Data Cloud. Now we need to publish the data product. So for that, we open another notebook and provide the share name. For our purposes, we named it predicted sales. Next, we'll use the BDC Connect SDK to publish the data product. Once we've run all the statements here and published the data product, we can go back to the BDC cockpit. In the BDC cockpit, we can take a look at our data product that we shared. We'll open the catalog and then search for our predicted sales data product. And there it is, ready for use. So now you know how to seamlessly share an SAP BW data product through Deltashare into SAP Databricks. We've explored how to create a predictive scenario based on BW data, as well as how to share the results back into the SAP Business Data Cloud catalog. Thanks for watching and see you next time.